Hello, and welcome to another video of Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 sublimation printers for dark shirts. For those looking to print on dark shirts and garments, sublimation printing is the best option. It's fast, easy, and produces vibrant, long-lasting prints. The upcoming printers are some of the top ones on the market, and if you want to get them, then the link will be in the description box. The best thing is that these links are updated regularly with changing prices, so you can grab the best deal. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1 is Lexmark C3426 DW. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option, the Lexmark C3426 DW sublimation printer is perfect for you. It offers quality prints with a maximum resolution of 1200 by 600 dpi and speeds up to 26 pages per minute in black and white. The Lexmark C3426 DW is a compact color sublimation printer designed to fit in almost any workspace with dimensions of 9.6 by 16.2 by 15.5 inches, 243.7 by 411.2 by 394.1 millimeters. It is easy to set up and use, with standard Wi-Fi connectivity enabling easy printing from mobile devices. This sublimation printer also features a 2.8-inch color touchscreen that allows for easy interaction with essential system functions and task information. Additionally, it is connected to popular cloud services like Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive, allowing users to securely access files from these services. With the replacement Extra High Yield Unison Toner, the printer can produce up to 4,500 pages of output, enabling longer print runs and less frequent replacements. Thanks to its steel frame and long-life imaging components, it is also built to last. Regarding performance, the Lexmark C3426 DW sublimation printer has a 1 GHz dual-core processor and can output up to 26 letter pages per minute (ppm). If you like this product, click on the link in the description box to purchase it.